Hey guys, in this tutorial I will be completing the lyric part of this Geetham Kamalajathala. So before getting to this lesson, let's sing the Arohana and Avarohana first. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Okay, so before zooming into this lesson, let me sing it for you now. Kamalajathala Vimala Sunayana Karivarada Karunambudhe Karunajalade Kamala Kanda Keshi Naraka Suravibedara Varada Vela Surapurotama Kusuma Sharade Kamala Kanda. Okay guys, so if you are done with, if you have learned and if you have made it thorough, the Swaram part, then we can move on to Sahitya. Because those who have not practiced, do that first, okay? I have taken class about that in my previous video. Okay, watch that first. And those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, do that now, okay? So the Sahityam is Kamalajathala. In my previous video, I mentioned what Kamalajathala is. Kamalaja is lotus, Dhala is petal, Vimala is white, and Sunayana, the composer, is describing about the eyes. So when we sing it as Kamalajathala, I have heard a lot many people sing it as Kamalajathala, but I don't find any meaning for this lyric. Kamala, break, Jadala does not possess any meaning. Okay, so when we sing it as Kamalajathala. Okay, so here we can consider one breath for this phrase, for a thala. Okay, so the swaram is sa 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 ni dha ni sa. Simply apply that lyric above this, and it will sound like Kamalajathala. Done. Let's move on to the second phrase. Vimala Sunayana ni dha pa dha pa ma pa. Vimala Sunayana. Here also we can give a single breath for this phrase. Karivarada Karunambudhe. Yeah, in this phrase, the next phrase, I will sing it now. Karivarada Karunambudhe. I completed these two phrases in just a single breath. I know it's quite a tough task for all. So one more way is there to sing this. That's the lyric is the problem here. That's Karivarada Karunambudhe. We can either split it as Karivarada break, Karunambudhe. Okay, or if you have not many, storing capacity of this breath, then you can connect those both phrases and you can sing that both phrases in a single breath. No problem with that. So the swara ga ma pa pa dha. If you want to break, you should break there. Kari dha. Right there. Okay. But if we are connecting that two phrases only, it will sound good. I mean, more good. Okay. Like this. Kari dha karunambudhe. It will sound like this. Or if you are giving a break, it will sound like Kari dha karunambudhe. It will sound like that. So it's totally according to your wish, either to take this style or sing those both phrases in one breath. Okay. Anyway, ga ma pa pa dha. For that, kari dha. Then da ni da pa ma pa ga re sa. For that entire thing, the lyrics is karunambudhe. Okay. Then the next lyric is Karuna Jalate. Da 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 ga ga ga. For that, Karuna Jalate. Then that next part is Kamala Kanta. Kamala. Here, if you are singing it as ma pa ma ga re sa, it will sound like kama. It will sound like Kamala. Okay, the lyric is Kamala. Kama kama. It should be fast. That's it. Kamala. Then Kanda. Re sa. Kanda. Okay, let's move on to the next phrase. Keshi Naraga Sura Vibhedana. That's also a big task, because if you want to break, you should break Keshi after Keshi, because the rest is Naraga Sura Vibhedana. Before that Vibhedana, I don't think we will get a time to break. Okay, it will sound like this. Keshi Naraka Sura Vibhedana. Okay, here also I have connected two phrases and I have sang it with a single breath. Ga ma pa da pa. For that, Keshi Naraka. Then ni da pa dha pa ma pa Sura Vibhedana. I guess it's ideal to sing this both phrases in a single breath, because then only it will sound really pleasing. Like Keshi Naraka Sura Vibhedana. Like that. Then Varada Vela. Ga ma pa pa dha da ni. Varada Vela. Varada Vela. Sura Purotama. Ni da da pa ma pa ga re sa. Sura Purotama. Okay. Sura Purotama. Then the next lyric is Kusuma Sharade. Da 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 ga ga ga. That's Kusuma Sharade. And the rest is just a repeat. Kamala Kanda. Ma pa ma ga re sa. Kamala then Kanda. Re, sa, Kanda. Okay, so that's the end of this lesson, Kamalajathala. So keep on practicing this lesson, guys. And those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, do that now itself. And if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can share it with me by posting those as comments. And yeah, we'll see you all in a next video with a pretty good song indeed. Bye.